We just woke up and
it's day 2.
And we're just gonna get ready for our day at the beach.
So we'll see y'all a little bit later. Bye.
Okay, so we're about to show you what we have for breakfast, which is cereal.
Yes, and we both got different kinds.
Yeah. Okay, so I forgot to do the video, and I almost ate mine all, so it's kind of soggy right now. But I had Rice Krispies and some milk. And she has some Fruit Loops with milk in it, and yeah, that's basically what we have. So we're about to just get ready and go to the beach.
Okay, guys. Okay, so we have our swimsuits on, and I'm wearing the one Emily wore yesterday, and I'm wearing hers, and I didn't. Okay, so we got a huge unicorn float. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really big. And and we're ready to ride it. The only thing that's weird to the beach, and it's sort of about to blow off. Ashley, it's sort of falling off. Emily, this is an amazing part of our vlog, though. Where are we going? I don't know. I can't. It's heavy. So yeah, we're having a little issue. Hey guys. Okay, so we're just about to get in the ocean. Yeah, we're at the beach. Yeah, and our unicorn float. This is what it looks like. We already showed you, but that's just what it looks like, kind of. Yeah, and we're about to go on the ocean and ride on it. So yeah, I'm just ready to get in it. And it's a red flag, but it's actually sort of calm. Yeah, it's just touching the rip current where it's But anyway, so yeah, we'll see y'all in a bit, and we might do a little bit of filming while we're on the float, and maybe we might boogie board something. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so we've been swimming in the ocean, and we were just looking around, and we found a live sand dollar. Yes, it's super pretty. And it's alive. Yeah, and it has like little feet. It looks like, I don't know, we can probably share it with you. Yeah, and we have to put it back because it's living. And Emily's back is so better now. It's like, I don't know if y'all can see. Here, hold it. It's sort of like, I don't know if you can see or not, but it's sort of, the two little spots are going on. Yeah. So we just wanted to share that with you, and yeah, so fun. And we're gonna put it back in the water. Okay, guys, so we're gonna show you some of our what we're doing in the ocean. So yeah. Hey guys, we just got done swimming. Yeah, the waves were getting a little bit big. We're just gonna take a break, I guess. Yeah, and we might go to the pool. Yeah. Okay, well we'll see you in a little bit. Hey. Okay, so we just got back from the beach, and we're about to go to the pool, and we got our goggles, and I have some purple hair. She has like a black and white hair. Yeah. And we're about to go, so we'll show you when we get there. So we made it to the pool, and we're just gonna show you some video of us swimming and jumping in. Hey guys, so we're just about to go eat, and as you can tell, we're really sunburned, and like my arms, yeah, we're really sunburned, and like I'm sunburned all over, but yeah, and we don't know where we're eating yet. We're either eating Captain Anderson's or Margaritaville. Yeah, I don't really know, but we'll show you where we're eating. So. Okay, so we'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Hey guys, so Captain Anderson's was closed, and we saw scanners along the way. I know you can't see, but it's yeah, and there's a lot of people, but it'll probably be like an hour. But even if we went to some other place, it'd probably be long too. So yeah, we'll show you when we get it. Well, yeah, we'll like do filming a video when we get seated. So bye. Hey guys, we just got our appetizer, which is some cheese sticks. So I'm about to show you. gonna see if they have grilled chicken. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Hey guys. We got our food, but we forgot to film it. Emily's got her. Have a hamburger. She's good. I've already eaten all mine, so there's just fries, with fries, and rice. I've already eaten all mine, so sorry about that. But yeah, that was pretty much. And I don't know if we ever told you, but we got sweet tea. Oh, I don't know if she got sweet tea, but I did. Yeah, I did. Okay, so we'll see you probably when we leave or like when we get back to the place.
Hey guys, we just got back from the restaurant and we're just about to get ready for bed. And yeah, and we're just gonna take our hair down and like put on pajamas. And I'm about to edit, so yeah, and so is she. So yeah, so good night guys and bye.